Just when that Friday feeling kicks in again, even on a Wednesday morning, there's some kind of issue. Uh-oh, this guy thinks they're in trouble. Luckily, these party peeps subscribe to CTOUCH Heartbeat. So the other guy knows that with CTOUCH Heartbeats as a service program, any new security issue can be tackled instantly. And update. Because some of our touchscreens are used for up to a decade, Heartbeat provides security updates for not just 2 or 3 years, but for their entire lifespan, so you can keep enjoying that Friday feeling. And bam! CTOUCH Heartbeat for a lifetime of guaranteed safe and supported touchscreen usage.